A gas mixer is an effective solution for generating hypoxia, anoxia, or other conditions. This tool enables researchers to control gas concentration in real time, by adjusting the ratios of different gases. This allows for the generation of precise and controlled conditions, which are crucial for obtaining accurate research results. Traditionally, researchers have relied on pre-mixed gas cylinders to control gas concentration in a given environment. However, this approach is not only expensive but also has inherent limitations. Premixed gas cylinders have fixed gas ratios, preventing real-time adjustments. This constraint can impede research accuracy and efficiency. In laboratory research, creating precise and controlled environments is paramount. One vital variable that researchers must regulate is gas concentration in the environment. At this juncture, a dynamic gas mixer proves to be the most convenient solution, offering real-time performance with trusted precision. It can be employed in numerous applications, creating an infinite number of gas mixtures. A key advantage of using a dynamic gas mixer is its capability to generate a wide range of gas concentrations. This is particularly significant when studying the effects of different environments on living organisms in an incubator, for example. The ability to create diverse gas concentrations also facilitates the examination of varied conditions on different organisms, such as plants or animals. Gas mixers can even generate hypoxia, or any other condition, by simply diluting the air from the existing gas line, without requiring any gas cylinder into the laboratory. Another benefit of employing a dynamic gas mixer is its ability to save time and money. By eliminating obsolete need, a dynamic gas mixer conserves both resources and funds for researchers. Furthermore, the compact size of a dynamic gas mixer is another major advantage, as it saves valuable laboratory space. Numerous studies have been published utilizing these techniques, yielding insights into various areas, including cancer behavior, central nervous system, red blood, preclinical imaging, microbes, muscles, cardiac diseases, and hypoxia conditions. For those interested in learning more about the gas mixer and its capabilities, additional information can be found on our website. Thanks for watching.